the 2 bikes in, not all
Yep.
the bikes.
Just fitting them in. We're trying a different technique this time because we do every time.
Just trying to make life easier for ourselves.
Yeah, make sure it's all nice and secure because we won't be carrying as much stuff this time. So we're taking no barbecues, no electric hot plates, none of that. We're gonna canteen, restaurant, and scab-free food.
Scab-free food. We're going to lose some weight. This is our Belgium diet plan.
Yeah, but you know, I'm quite hopeful that we've been invited over by an old racing friend of mine called Andy Yule, and he used to race motorbikes, was a very good 250 rider, and now he races classic cars. So he's obviously got a bit of money, so I'm thinking he's going to feed us.
That would be nice.
It's actually pretty stable, just like
Is
that.
it?
Yeah, if we can secure them at the front as well with some sort of Velcro-y strap.
Yeah.
Does that feel alright?
Yeah. You going to try it with Velcro as well?
I'm going to try it with Velcro as well, yeah. Got a nice cable tie on, secure them. I'm going to try and Velcro it. My theory being that if we can secure all the wheels, they won't roll far. It's either that or we've got to start drilling into the camper, and we're still too bigger babies to do that.
We are. Okay, so we've got that's the Driving in Europe Drive Right sticker. So I'll put that on the windscreen. What's this one? This one is Speed Right. That's Ace. The light reflectors, headlight reflectors. We've got this check plug. So when we're on electric hookup abroad, we plug this into our sockets, and if 3 lights come up, it's good. Anything else we need to think about or not use. We've got our replacement bulb kits. So let's sort all that out.
Right.
How's it looking?
Well, not bad. What do you reckon?
Looks good to me. So what have you done there?
I've just anchored them to that point there. Let's see that, those 3 screws.
Mm.
I've just put a cable tie around there and just anchored them there. Not crazy tight.
Okay. So that's the bit that the board sits on usually.
Yeah. And we can just feed that off and keep that bit of cable tie for other...
They're a lot further back than they usually are.
Yeah, they might have to come a bit further forward. I don't think so, though.
Oh, the doors are shut, aren't they?
The
So
doors are
it's
shut,
fine.
just whether it fouls the... Oh, sorry, I didn't raise your video. It just whether it fouls the gas...
Locker.
Could be hole, yeah. And all that.
Good job. Now I've got to get you up.
No, I'm just going to try and fill this gap a minute. Can you take those?
Mm-hmm. One of the reasons we chose this Dreamer D55 was because of the bathroom situation. So this is the toilet cubicle, this is the shower cubicle, okay, and the bedroom. Now this door undoes and folds across here. That door unfolds and folds across there, so you've got a full width bathroom, and it's brilliant. You've got your privacy, so if you want to get changed and you need a little bit of privacy, then you can just pull that across, or having a wash or whatever, it's totally cut off. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So the toilet door opens like so, so it can go all the way back like that if you want it to go back like that, or it goes like this. Ta-da! So that's the toilet side. This is the shower side. Here we have our whiteboard, which is essential for us because we put down all of the things we usually forget. However, I did forget to read it last time, forgot something that was on the remembering board. But that's really good. And that's just stuck on with double-sided fancy tape. So here, this is the wardrobe door. Wardrobe, hanging rail in there. And this is so good because in the bottom of this, if, as in England, you get a lot of rain, wet weather gear, wet weather gear, you can hang it in here. You can take out this panel in the bottom.
Sorry. Big bum.
You can take out this panel in the bottom here and let your clothes drip into the shower tray. So that's also really, really good. So that's the wardrobe door. This is the shower door. So there's another button here. And the whole wardrobe that I've just shown you in there swings out of the cupboard all the way around. I just love it. And there's a magnetic catch at the top there, and that stays back. So there's your wardrobe in there with coats. And in here, so you've got the top bit where the wardrobe goes in, and then this bottom bit of the door which undoes. And here you have just the best full-size shower. So there's no having your shower over your toilet, getting all your stuff all wet. It's all totally self-contained. So there's the shower tray, little shelf. So here's me stood in the shower cubicle, and then there's the rest of the bathroom, and the door separating the rest of the van. Yeah, it's just ace. I love it. So this is the view from the bed. So you've got your bed, your bathroom there. The bathroom door, the toilet door's gone all the way across. And there's the shower to the left.